What's up, guys? It's me, Cool345 here, and today we are making a YouTube video. So if you want to check on us, you can. If you don't, we'll stay on the video because I will have nobody to see, nobody to do, and nobody to play with. And my friend just ditched me for no flipping reason, and it's just bullcrap. So I went to my channels, so I popped up, but it did. So, yeah, we are playing Phantom Forces today, and I'm not lying, this is an actual video, and I know Menace unspoken, but I'm actually doing this, so if you want to link to, yeah, let's do that. So we are playing, of course, and it almost took us a minute to just do all this. This is really stupid, but we are. So I can't wait until this is done. I mean, I know I might sound childish, but in real life, my voice actually has a little scratch in it. If you ever see me, it feels like I just woke up, but I haven't. I just came back from school today, and I'm already recording the video, no homework today. So, and it has a Valentine's special on Phantom Forces, so this is why I'm checking it out. And yeah, kill count, that crap is getting on. So yeah. Just remind me that I haven't played it for so don't be mean to me. And I need my mouse real quick. Let me go grab it. There it is. Now I can actually play Phantom Forces because you actually need a mouse to do Phantom Forces. So, like when this video is up, make sure to comment down below that you've been here. Tell Menace Unspoken. His YouTube channel has like 160 something subscribers on his YouTube channel. He's grown 20 since when I actually last, because I just been in a party with him yesterday. He has 60 something subscribers. So yeah, so go check him out. He's the leader of Menace, and he does Menaces. He's making a new skate. It's that he made a Call of Duty. And Menace is becoming skate and COD. So I'm just making this for fun. And I know this isn't really supposed to go up, but I am letting it go up. And why isn't my webcam working like work? Okay, I received a Halloween case. Nice. Get the camo rip. I think I should play now. Okay. I hate this map. Oh yeah. This game is better when you use not like. So this video is going to be a 15-minute video for you guys, and it's already over. And we got defeat. I thought I had a silence on this. You've been placed in the balance. Okay. My character's fine. Honestly, it's stay. And I'm only rank 4, so if you want to keep coming to the videos and be nice, and just when you do so. Say hi to YouTube. Witty. Palm now? So the team deathmatch, and we are on Phantom, and we already have 2 kills. Kinda suck at Phantom Forces, rusty. Okay, you can't barely see people. I got killed with the M1911. Not sponsored. I mean, I was about to say sponsored, but I'm not. Because all this YouTube crap is going bad ways for me, so. Spaghetti. Go up, go up, go up. So after this video is posted and Menace comes, I don't know what we will do. And this is all new to me, just saying. This is my first video going up, Roblox. Also, another shout out to my friend, Dominic is cool. He plays Phatom for some time. Go check him out. All caps. It used to be all lowercase, but not all caps. So if you want to go check him out, you can too. By the way, it feels like it's a stream, but it's not. And I think they're spawning under us. And this is really laggy. I mean, I only have a 2-bar on internet right now. This is bullcrap. And I'm making a YouTube video. So, I'll tell you when the video is done, guys. Just letting you know. Hope you love this video. And it's like 15 minutes each video. Just letting you know. I may do some different types of videos, maybe longer. I'm just using a random screen recorder that I found. So, this is why it might be lower minutes. I'm getting spots. And a frag. I'm in the spawn. Sorry, I'm being quiet so much. I missed focusing. I haven't even got a kill. I can't even get a kill. I'm so bad at this game. Maybe it's just my internet. I don't know. Oh, like you did get a trick shot. Frag up. Frag that way. For frags. Frag that way. And I died! I guess I'm just not gonna play Phatom Force since this game sucks. So, dang. I have to play without my friend Brandon. We're gonna do like both of us. I know my channel isn't because this is my first video. Like, geez, you need to listen. And I'm not gonna watch any videos because that shit will come up. I'll probably get copyrighted for it and I don't want to. If I want to play some treasure hunt for another 5-6 minutes. By the way, all this recording will end at 15 minutes. Like, actually 15 minutes straight. So, after this is done, how much you guys like treasure hunt and Phatom Forces and Jailbreak and Bloxburg? It's a really good, all of them are really good games. I'm probably only gonna play like for like 5 minutes. 4 minutes probably. 4 minutes 30. 15. This would load up in it'd be the best game. You're probably gonna go to like 4 minutes 40 seconds for this game. I'm very sorry for you guys. But it's done like that, and I don't know why my webcam isn't working. Holy crap, that's a deep one. I'm gonna grab all treasure chests. Or maybe not, we'll go down a deep hole. Generating. Yeah, I won't be able to play. First person's always really good, so if this game would be better to me, dun dun. Stick down. Stop it! I am done with it. I'm done with this girl. This is so annoying when people just go in your hole. Can people ever listen? Sorry guys, I'm just mad at her. Boy, it's just boy having a girls. But you know I'm a boy because it's my voice. Yeah, guys, I'll only be able to get so there's a new chest. I wonder what it is. So I'm gonna video after the silly stuff, so yeah guys. Okay, so, and you see how much I get. Okay, so guys, this is a video from me, Menace Uzi, Skate 3 YouTuber later on. Peace out.